I am too much tired for that.
NodeMCU blew up.
Some miracle happens. I will code it tomorrow.
Alright guys, welcome back to part 4 of my RC car series. This time my RC car just not an RC car anymore. It officially gets a brain and a camera and even dance moves. Yeah, you heard that right. It can stop before crashing. Let's see how far we can push this tiny little piece. If you are following this series, you know where we started. In first parts, we built the foundation. We made it move wirelessly through Wi-Fi with NodeMCU, Arduino, L29 3D motor driver shield. It was cool, it worked, and it has small problem. Yup, it just straight into off. So today we are giving sensors like ultrasonic sensor and IR sensors. My car has 3 awesome modes and I can switch between them just by pressing buttons on my controller. This is the classic manual mode. I can drive it just like before, but now with smart safety sensors. I add flashlight and horn too. See, the ultrasonic sensor detect the obstacle. I can see live camera feed too. It uses an ultrasonic sensor mounted on the servo to avoid the obstacles and two IR sensors to detect obstacles that miss the ultrasonic sensor. Basically, my car is now a mini Tesla, but cheaper, cuter and probably more reliable. The servo look left and right like saying, which path should I take today?
Unfortunately, the dancing mode is not finished. It just crashed.
Alright, let's break down what's under the hood. First of all, let's connect the ultrasonic sensor. This will be the car eyes. But I didn't want to just look straight like this. I want to look around like this for maximum scanning. So I attaching a servo motor like this one. This way it can rotate left and right like this. It's like car's head turning left and right for avoid obstacles. See how beautiful it is? It rotates like this. I connected servo to the motor driver shield servo port and ultrasonic sensors echo and trigger pins to A0 and A1 because most digital pins are already taken. I tried connect some LEDs to the car. Red LED for detect obstacles, green for manual mode, blue for automatic drive mode. And this happens. I accidentally plug LEDs ground to 5 volt. It goes to the NodeMCU and NodeMCU blew up. I tried to everything to recover it, but it not respond. See, when I have to give up, some miracle happens. See, it works. I don't know what happens, but it works. I'm happy. And finally, I made this a tiny Wi-Fi camera from old drone. Okay, let's mount this. And that's it.
And finally, I completed. Now we have to code this little thing. It's about 12:30 am. Guys, I'm going to sleep and do it tomorrow.
Hi, it's day 2, trying to build something smart. Last day, I'm trying to figure this out. Why is my NodeMCU keep crashing while upload the code? So the reason is it has only one hardware serial communication. So I plugged in and try to upload the code, it crashed. And of course accidentally I tried to 5 volt into 3.3 volt pin. It kinda crashy. So I can't do this project with this NodeMCU. You know what? I bought ESP32 board. It has 3 hardware serial pins. So it's a big brother of NodeMCU. So let's continue with this bad boy. Okay, now the real fun part, coding. First of all, I want to say that I tried to like 4 days to build these codes. Finally, I realized instead of using web control, how about using direct control? Because in this mode we can reduce the latency. You can understand if we use web control, controller connect the PC and PC send commands to the NodeMCU. But using direct control, we can directly connect to the ESP32 from control. It can reduce latency. It's more efficient. So we don't need laptop, anything. We can direct connect to the ESP32. This is the ESP32 code that I uploaded. This is the Arduino code. It's very simple. We have some lag because camera Wi-Fi feed and controller Bluetooth feed interrupt each other. We will talk about that briefly in our next video. The automatic mode is working fine because we don't use controller in this mode. Now here the camera feed. See, the camera feed and Bluetooth control interrupt each other. They both crashes and stop working. I will talk about that in our next video. And that's it. My RC car version 4 now complete. It got brain, sensors, smooth motor control, Wi-Fi camera feed and even some dance moves. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Because in part 5 we add a tiny little display like a cute robot. Stay tuned. Bye bye bye.